Scott from Telecoms.com here at Qualcomm's HQ in sunny San Diego, and I'm talking to Dino Flore. You're the head of product of technology EMEA for Qualcomm. Nice to meet you. And so we're here at a big sort of Qualcomm sort of 5G day. You've got journalists in from all over the world. Can you just tell us a little bit to start off why it is that, at what point in the sort of development of 5G we're at that Qualcomm wants to have a day like this?
Yeah, so it's a very exciting time to start with, and after a lot of talking about 5G, so we are very close to making 5G a reality, because of course we have announced that we will have 5G rollout and real products coming in the first half of next year. So we are really starting to see the life of the day for 5G very soon. I mean, in our telecom world, it's next door. So it's really starting from next year. We're gonna start to see products. So we are very excited that finally we made it a reality.
So if we're going to expect to see it in, let's say, about a year's time, what are the sort of first manifestations, the first signs of 5G going to look like to us?
So there will be initial rollouts, and for example, initial rollouts that will allow to have some enhanced user experience for mobile broadband users. It will be an interesting use case for initial rollouts of 5G, but it will not stop there. So 5G, obviously, one nice thing of 5G is that opening up to these new use cases beyond connecting people, beyond mobile broadband, and this will be quite an interesting one. Connecting things, this is one important area. And connecting things for consumers, but as well as connecting things for enterprises, like having private networks which can augment productivity for our companies as well. So it could be really a huge opportunities, because again, we created this mobile platform that today serves 8 billion connections, and now we're going to bring it to the next level, really, to connect all the things around us, and in a way that has never been done before. Yeah. So that's the exciting part of 5G.
It is. I mean, it looks like we're sort of fleshing out the vision of things like IoT, which is another buzzword that's been around for quite a long time. But one thing I've got from talking to you and some of your colleagues while I've been here is also how open-ended it is. We're creating this infrastructure, this next generation, but you're not second-guessing what people are going to use it for, and it needs to be flexible and scalable enough to adapt to use cases when they come up. Is that right?
That is correct. It has been already in the past the case that we failed to predict what was the real application for the 3G, for the 4G. In this case, it's even more complicated, because again, it will not be only connecting people and having a smartphone in your hand. It will be really allowing all these other use cases. So the second guessing in this case is almost impossible. Yeah. And we even gave up on it. So what we decided, like in the past, but even more so this time, is to create this more powerful and flexible platform that can enable all these use cases. And God knows in 5 years from now what will allow. So that, but for sure, the capability is there to connect all the things and make it an intelligent network of things and people interconnected, and this could one way improve productivity, another way improve people's lives by creating a frictionless society, actually.